Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. I'm scouring the internet finding all the best types of solar power DIY setup equipment, and I came across this 11.4 kilowatt hybrid split phase inverter with APS transmitter. This baby is nice, and it is an amazing price going on right now. And if you're in a hurry, feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to get right over to this page and get this deal while it lasts. Help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. For everybody else, I'm going to be taking a closer look at this new SunGold Power hybrid split phase inverter. So what we got going on here, this high voltage 11.4 kilowatt hybrid split phase inverter APS transmitter. This baby delivers 11.4 kilowatt continuous with 120 volt, 240 volt AC output and supports a maximum PV input of 18 kilowatts of solar power. This is built to work with very high voltage batteries, 120 to 500 volt, optimizing self-consumption and providing reliable backup power in case of grid failure. And when PV power is insufficient, operates efficiently in both on-grid and off-grid applications and can be AC coupled and DC coupled with various batteries, providing a versatile and flexible solution for different energy needs. This is equipped with 4 MPPTs, so you get 18 kilowatts of PV input and supports up to 600 volts of PV input, which a lot of people really need that high voltage. It's got a voltage range of 120 volts to 500 volts, AC output for flexible power management. And it's got generator capabilities, enable a generator to act as a grid source during utility outages, ensuring uninterrupted power. And that gives it that comprehensive system integration. And so reliable backup provides continuous power to critical loads with battery backup during grid outages for uninterrupted power supply that we mentioned. And it's scalable, support up to 3 inverters in parallel, offering enhanced flexibility to meet even larger power demand. And it's got cloud platform, allows remote troubleshooting, firmware updates, and system management, reducing operational and maintenance costs. And its integrated RSD offers rapid shutdown capabilities for compliance with safety standards, ensuring system protection. And when it comes to compliance, this baby has all kinds of certifications right here. And here is kind of an overview of what you got. You got your inverter here. You can use solar to charge, and you got it monitoring through the cloud and things like that. And you got your battery that's going to be powering the system. This is going to be charging your batteries through the PV or through the grid, and it can be powering your home, or it can be feeding the grid. Make money using this. And of course, you can have your generator set up with that ATS function. This is a really nice inverter. They just came out with this not too long ago, so I wanted to highlight it because it just had a really good discount pop on. You can use the links in the comments or description to get over this page and get a good deal, plus help support my channel at the same time, which you know I always appreciate greatly. And you can subscribe to my channel 100% for free by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about this brand new technology and limited deals.